Hello, Bryant. I wanted to compliment you on all the obvious hard work you've done on this elevator speech. I could see your script and I know that you wrote it out and you practiced it over and over, and all of that's very good. I need you to practice with the timer, however, because this speech is too long. The assignment called for a 2-minute speech. Yours is 2 minutes and 44 seconds, almost 3 minutes. So it's important for speakers to observe the time limit to have just the right amount of content. And you know that you have just the right amount of content when you practice before recording with your timer. So you'll have to edit this down a bit and get it to fit the 2-minute requirement in the future. In the meantime, just move on to milestone 2 and observe the time requirements there. Also, I want to suggest that you think about sitting down for your next presentation. There's a lot of things to think about when giving a speech, as I think you've discovered. And if you're sitting down, you can hold your note cards or your script in your lap and casually look down every so often to see a key word or a key idea. We'll talk more about speaker notes and how to use them as we go forward in our class. So try sitting down and seeing if that won't help you focus on your presentation and the time and all the other technical things. I enjoyed seeing your speech and I'm looking forward to the next one. Thanks for sharing.